So of late, if you all must have noticed, I wear all these bright colors like red and pink, and you know, basically these are the two colors I alternate between of late because really, yeah. Did you know this that the kind of you know, your moods are affected by the sort of outfits you wear. So honestly, people, considering this is a lockdown, many of us may have locked down our cupboards also. I mean, like, we are hardly aware what we are wearing and all of that, but it's important, yeah, when you get up early and dress up, and it's like all dressed and nowhere to go, but all the same. So anyway, wear light and bright colors, and to avoid looking as dead as I'm looking right now. But but seriously, and at some level, I think this whole phase, the ones who are totally fit and fine and healthy and happy, you all may kindly please devote your time to productive activities, including it's so nice to be able to do some kind of charity work at this point, volunteer activity and all. But for the ones who look like they themselves are in need of like, I don't know, yeah, energy levels keep spiking, at least it happens with me. So yeah, so then for such people, just, it is a god given holiday set of, summer vacation that has come, so you might as well enjoy that. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.